Namaste, this is Saurav and his Abhishek ji and Kavita ji is here. Today we came with very good concept because we are going to teach you 15-minute beginner to advanced yoga practice. This video is dedicated for everyone. Anyone can practice these forms of yoga what we are going to teach today. It is basic Hatha yoga and let's start today practice. So first we are going to start with ankle movements. So hold your pelvic with your hand and try to inhale, lift your heel up, raise your heel up, and exhale, drop your heel down. This movement we are going to do 10 times. Inhale, lift your heel up, elevate your body, exhale, drop your heel down. If you are beginner or advanced practitioner, breathing is remaining same and breathing is remaining important for you both all. So let's practice with proper breath. Again, inhale up, 3, exhale down, 4, inhale up, exhale down, 5, inhale up, exhale down, 6, inhale up, exhale down, 7, inhale up, exhale down, 8, inhale up, exhale down, 9, inhale up, exhale down, and 10, inhale up, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, if you're not able to make balance, you can take happily wall support, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now after ankle, we are going toward the knee. So place your palm on your knee together. If you are a beginner, make your legs slightly wider. Now start rotating your knee clockwise with normal breathing. 1, slowly. 2, if you're not able to rotate, just fold your knee, straight your knee. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, very good, and 10. Go for reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, normal breathing, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Now make your legs slightly wider, pelvic distance apart. If you are a beginner, make your legs shoulder distance apart, means 2 feet. Now hold your pelvic with your hand. Rotate your pelvic, or you can say hip joint, 10 times clockwise with normal breathing. 1, 2, very good. 3, look front. 4, 5, 6, very good. 7, 8, 9, how much you able to move it, and 10. Go for reverse now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and relax. Now slowly drop your fingertip on your shoulder joint, and start moving big circle with your elbows. 1, clockwise. 2, here also normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your hand now. Drop your hand down sidewise. Try to look to the right side with exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, look toward the left. It should be very slowly. Inhale, center. Exhale, look toward the right. Inhale, center. Look toward the left. Inhale, center. Look toward the right. Inhale, center. Look. Inhale, center. Look toward the right. And hold here for 10, 9, without moving your shoulders. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist another side. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Now inhale, center. Inhale, look up, chin up. Exhale, chin to the collarbone. This also only 5 times. Inhale up. Very slowly, gently stretch your neck muscles. Exhale down. 3, 2. Inhale. Exhale down. Up. Inhale. Exhale down. And last time, inhale up. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale down, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Take a deep breath in, out. Take your hands shoulder level sidewise. Now bend your elbow, with your finger, touch your shoulder and straight your elbow now. Again, exhale, touch your shoulder, inhale, straight your hand. Exhale, touch your shoulder, inhale, straight your hand. Last 3, exhale, touch your shoulder, inhale, straight your hand. Last time, touch your shoulder, straight your hand. From here only, start making circle with your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release and relax. Take a deep breath in, out. So these are the very basic movement which anyone can do, and with these movements you will get good mobility in your body. Along with the mobility, you can improve your flexibility as well. So share this video with those people who are not doing anything. At least they can do this and they can feel better each and every day. Thank you so much. Namaste. We'll see you in next video.